Stampers, Diane Dimich here with DDStamps.com, and today I'm here to talk to you about my July Create With Me Card Club kit. So each month I produce a kit that I send you a packet of all the supplies. It's actually kind of fun to get. It's fun to put together for me too, just so you're aware. Each month I'll focus on a bundle or a stamp set and produce several cards, send you a kit with all the supplies. So this month, July's kit uses the Charming Day bundle and many of the products in the suite that's coming out July 1st. So it's a brand new bundle in the online exclusives, and it's really a fun, I fell in love with this bundle on site, so that's why I had to use it. And one of the things that I did this month, normally I do 4 different cards and you get to make 2 of each. So you get 8 cards with envelopes in your kits, the products to make those. This month I made 6 cards, so you'll get 6 cards, 2 of each. You'll get 12 cards with envelopes in your kits this month. It's a little bit more, but product, but it was really fun for me to make the cards and play with the product. So you benefit. I'm gonna flip my camera so I can show you what I'm using this month. So this is the Charming Day stamp set. As you can see, it's a great floral stamp set. I have a real thing for florals. Can't seem to get enough of them. Probably because where I live, as you know, it snowed this past weekend here. But it's sunshine and beautiful now, and I think summer might be here for real. Anyway, Charming Day is the stamp set that I used. I love the fonts that are in here. And then also the Charming Day dies, which are a lot of fun. There's a lot of different dies. There's 3 dies that actually cut out the images in the stamp set, and there's a bunch of what I call standalone dies. So vines, flowers, a grouping of flowers, and I used them all. I think I used everything in both the stamp set and the dies this time around. All right, so the star of this show is actually the Designer Series paper, which I will show you. When you get your kit, you will get 12 by 12 sheets of the Designer Series paper to use in your projects, and you'll have extra, so it's always nice to have a little bit extra. But these are beautiful. As you can see, the florals are just really gorgeous. The colors are like Timid Tiger and Secret Sea, Mossy Meadow. I believe it's Petunia Pop, but they're gorgeous. And then the backs are very subtle, Peacock, Petunia Pop, Timid Tiger, Mossy Meadow. That one looks, I think this one is actually Secret Sea, but Secret Sea is a little bit darker. And then Blackberry Bliss, one of my absolute favorite colors. So that is the Designer Series paper. And like I said, you'll get 12 by 12 sheets of that. You will get ribbon to complete your projects. So this is the new Petal Pink braided ribbon. And I'm going to show you, we do a little technique where I actually unbraid it and use strands of it as like linen thread. These are beautiful. The gems are the Charming Shimmer Faceted Dots that you'll get in your pack. And then you'll get the cardstock to make these cards, and I'm going to show them here. So here are the cards that we're going to make with this kit. So there's lots of different techniques. Lots of bling. Remember, you'll get to make 2 of each of these with the purchase of my card kit. You can see here where I used that braided ribbon where I undid it and then made it into like linen thread. The cloud cover ink is having some issues with the foam pad, so I'm making up little ink Stampin' Spots for everybody to use for this project, because I actually do use that cloud cover ink in this card for the backgrounds, and I wanted to make sure that you had that. So you'll get an ink pad in the kit, and then if you choose to, you can always add a cloud cover ink refill, and then you'll always have cloud cover. So that will come in your kit too. Some of the products that I use that are not in your kit but that you can order from me is the bundle. So the bundle is not included in the kit, but if you want to add that on, I send out an email towards the 1st of July for those people who are signed up to go ahead and place their orders. And when I do that, the orders you get free shipping on the bundles. So it's just the cost of what the bundle is, and then I mail that out with your kit. Some of the other products that you're going to need is, of course, Memento Black, which I probably use for every club kit that I've ever done. I love it with the blends. They work great. And then I used Secret C in several of the cards, and so I would recommend either Secret C or you could just use Memento Black. Either one would work. And then the blends that I used were Timid Tiger, Petal Pink, and Mossy Meadow. And then I added Wink Estella to my projects, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's all added in. Every card has it. It just added a little bit more glitz and glamour to my cards. Not necessary, but you could add it to your order if you choose to. All right, so those are my cards. Those are the products. I'm excited about the club this month in July. I hope that you sign up. If you haven't, you could even just try it for a month and see what you think. If you do just want to try it for a month and not sign up for the monthly subscription, you can just send me an email and I will send out an invoice for you to pay. If you are part of the subscription and the monthly club, you're automatically charged until you decide to drop. And after 6 months, you get $25 in product that I will send out with your 6th kit. Every 6 kits, you get a bonus $25 products that will be fun to play with. All right, take care. If you haven't already done so, you might want to sign up for my newsletter at www.DDStamps.com. That's where I keep everybody informed about what I'm doing and what's going on. Take care, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.